Most people think you need a computer to create a PDF, but that's not really true anymore. Whether it's a photo, handwritten notes, a document, or even multiple files, you can turn all of it into a PDF directly from your phone in just a few taps. And honestly, once you start doing this, it's hard to go back to the old way. In this video, I'll show you how to create PDFs on your phone using PDFelement, including how to turn photos, scans, and files into clean, professional PDFs. I'll also show both iPhone and Android workflows, with a bit more focus on iPhone since it's not always as straightforward. Think about how often you deal with documents on your phone. Maybe you take photos of handwritten notes, scan assignments or receipts, download files from emails, or need to submit something quickly. Most people either leave them as images or wait until they get to a computer to convert them. And that obviously slows everything down. Creating PDFs directly on your phone means that you can submit assignments instantly, send professional documents, and just keep everything organised. And also avoid all those unnecessary steps. So let's start with the most common use case. Let's say you've taken photos of handwritten notes or documents. Open PDFelement on your phone. Tap on Create PDF. Now select the images you want to convert. You can choose multiple photos at once, for example pages of notes or scanned documents. Once these are selected, tap Create. And just like that, your images are combined into a single PDF. This is pretty perfect for homework submissions, study notes, receipts, or any multi-page document. And instead of sending messy images, you now have one clean professional file. Now let's talk about iPhone specifically, because creating PDFs on iOS can feel a bit confusing if you're not using the right tools. With PDFelement on iPhone, the process is pretty simple. You can import photos from your camera roll, scan documents directly using your camera, or open files from your device. If you're scanning a document, just use the built-in scanner. Align your camera, capture the page, and PDFelement will automatically detect the edges. Then you can adjust, crop, and save it as a PDF instantly. You can also combine multiple scans into one document, which is perfect for things like assignments or forms. Without an app like this, you'd usually have to take photos, convert them separately, then try to combine them. This simplifies everything into one smooth process. On Android, it's just as simple. Open PDFelement, tap Create PDF, and choose your files or images. You can convert photos, import documents, or scan directly using your camera. Another really useful feature is combining files. Let's say you have a few photos, a downloaded document, and a scanned page. You can combine all of them into one PDF. This is pretty perfect for submitting assignments, sending documents for work, or organising multiple files into one single place. Instead of sending multiple attachments, you can send one clean document. If you compare this to the traditional way, you'd normally transfer files to a computer, open different tools, convert and combine files, and then send them. And that obviously takes a lot more time. With your phone, you can do everything pretty instantly. Create, edit, and send PDFs all in one place. So now you know how to create PDFs directly on your phone, whether it's from photos, scans, or files. You can do it quickly and easily and without needing a computer. With PDFelement, the whole process just becomes simple and efficient. If you found this one helpful, check out more tutorials to improve your workflow. And I'll see you in the next video.